Hey guys, today I'm at one of the newest attractions to hit North Port, which is the North Port Aquatic Center. It actually just opened 3 days ago, and today you get to see an inside look of what this place has to offer. We'll look at some of the slides, we'll look at some of the pools that they have, and just give an overall picture of what this has to bring. So come and join us. The North Port it doesn't have a splash center, so all the people we either had to go to a different city, neighboring city. So this is actually a pretty addition to this is the kids can actually play on the splash center. The kid slides, they have two smaller slides that go into the water. There's a tube slide over here. The tube slide. You go in and it wraps all the way around, which is a pretty neat thing. And of course, the bucket thing we talked about. There's a couple sprinklers, the kids can get wet. Around this other side, there's a couple sprinklers, the kids can also get wet. As you walk up the stairs, you really do get soaked with all these sprinkler systems coming from the top and also from the bottom. So there's blue slides that wrapped around, and there you come out this way. On the other side of this kids area, you got more sprinkler systems, and these are cool little. Here comes the water. So this thing actually jumps a ton of water. Here's another fun thing for the kids to do. If you pull on these, you can get some water. If you're thirsty, I'm just kidding. Don't drink the water. This other side of the swimming pool, it has diving boards. 2 of them that we can dive into the water. This pool is 12 feet deep. I don't know if you guys can see that. But these pools, I believe, are open year-round. And while the other facilities might be closed, those are open year-round. So if you get a year pass, you can always use that swimming pool. There used to be a pool at the Y in North Port. They closed that down. So this should be now a new place to go swim. You hold onto the rope, and you go from turtle, and you go from one side to the other side. Plenty of seating areas with lots of shade. Want to rest around. These provide wonderful shade, even for the most little ones. And if you want to refresh, all over the facility they have these palm trees, and they're double up as a fountain, so you can, if you don't want to go in the water but want to get a little fresh water, cool off a little bit, just go under one of those trees. And they have them all over the park, which is a pretty neat little feature that you don't always see. Hey, but you got life jackets? Yeah. Those are so cool. In case you forgot your fully at home, they do provide these life jackets for the kids. You have to go over to the concession area. There's plenty of tubes for the lazy river. It wraps all the way around the park. Grab what you got, tube? Yeah. All right, let's go in. Throw it in. Where? In the water. That's a fast car? Yep. Over here in this section, you got a little chill spot. Can we go? There's seating that goes all the way around. While your kids are cruising around, you can stop by. Over here is another waiting area. You can kind of lay down, relax once again. And this just kind of goes around. There's a small current, so if you can technically just lay down, read a book, and just not do anything. We went, the ride is called the Tarpon Twist. The purple and blue one is called Dolphin Tail. So the Dolphin Tail is the purple and blue one. It's pretty nice because it's dark inside, but it's got the LEDs, and it is a little bit faster. The first one I had the shirt on the green one, so I couldn't tell how quick you can get down, but that one's pretty good. At the end there.
It's worth it though.
It is. It's a good experience. Cool. Thank you. The last ride was the Barracuda Blast. Basically, you stay in that tunnel, and there's the floor that drops down, and you go down. Really fun ride. Spin around 4 or 5 times around the middle. It gets a little bit dizzy, but overall, it was a good experience. Our day has come to the end at the North Aquatic Center in North Port. I want to share a couple final thoughts here about the overall experience. I would recommend everybody to stop by and check it out. Overall, the slides were fun. The kids area was great. A couple positives was there was bathrooms on both sides of the facility. There was concession stands if you want food. There was plenty of seating for everybody, plenty of gazebo everywhere if you want to get away from the sun. So it's really, really nice. The lazy river was great. So very enjoyable experience. One more thing I noticed was there was plenty of lifeguards. So every station, every facility had lifeguards, so it was fine. They kept an eye on everybody. They made sure nobody was running. People were obeying by the rules. So that's really good. It makes it enjoyable and safe experience, especially for little ones. You know, me as a parent of small kids, it makes it really nice to know that that's protected. So a daily admission is $6 for the ages of 2 to 12 and $8 for somebody over 12, and children under 23 months are free. They do offer annual passes. For instance, family of 4 members of the same household. For a North Port resident, the cost is $375 for the season, so all year round. So if you do go quite a bit, that may be worth it, but otherwise the overall experience was great. It wasn't packed. Even though this is the first week it's open, I was expecting it to be packed. Gladly and thankfully it wasn't, so there was plenty of room. There was a short line for all the slides. I wish there was a slide that's a little bit bigger for smaller kids, because unfortunately the larger rides all require you to be 48 inches. So my son was a little bit disappointed, but overall he had a blast in the lazy river and the net frog climbing thing and the kids area. I hope you guys enjoyed this first look at the park and this review of the North Port Aquatic Center here in Sarasota County in North Port. And I ask that if you enjoyed this video, that you will hit the like button below, you will subscribe to our channel, and make sure you pay a visit to the North Port Aquatic Center. Thank you for watching.